Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this Taylor Swift hairstyle per your request. First, you're going to brush your hair smooth and then part it off to one side. Then you're going to take half of your hair and clip it away. I'm just using this claw clip really fast to clip it away. Then you're going to make a braid in the back. Put it in a ponytail, make sure it's off to one side, and then make a 3-strand braid. I put that curler in just because I needed to make sure it was parted a little bit further back. Now I'm going to let the rest of my hair down and I'm going to part it in 2 pieces. Add just a little bit of gel for heat protectant. And then I'm going to begin rolling my hair. I love using hot sticks. I'm also going to add a little bit of mousse just to help hold the curl more. I'm using these hot sticks, are my favorites from Conair. I've used them for literally years, like I was 11 years old when I started using these. Love them so much. So I'm just taking 1/4-inch pieces and I am just curling all over my head. These are super easy, just leave them in 15, 20 to 30 minutes and then while we're waiting, we're going to make a braid bun off to one side in the back. I'm using my by Frenchies bobby pins to just pin these up. Then I'm going to let all the curls down. These should make beautiful ringlets. I love this so much, you guys. This is the perfect curlers for updos. Then I'm going to smooth out the top. Don't brush the bottom, only the top part. And then I'm going to begin pinning the curls inside of the bun in the back. Just roll up the length of your hair a little bit if you have long hair like me, and then just begin pinning it inside the bun. I'm just doing it in sections. I'm going to take this hair off to the smaller side using some hairspray and teasing it a little bit on the side just to kind of make it more vintage, just like Taylor's Updo was. Now I'm just going to take the back of the curls and pin it inside the braid bun. Now I'm going to take the front part of the heavier side of the part and put that one away. Then I'm going to begin pinning the rest of the hair inside the braid bun as well. And you can just kind of roll up part of the length of your hair, leaving the ends out, and then just tuck the ends in the braid bun and pin. I decided to take down this part on the smaller side and just kind of redo it because I wasn't happy with the results. So again, I'm going to just kind of lay it over across the back. This is how Taylor's was. And then just start pinning. I'm curling the hair a little bit or wrapping it around my fingers and pinning it, leaving the ends out and then just smushing them together and pinning. As you can see, I'm just pushing it up and pinning. Now I'm going to take it out again and I'm going to split it into 2 one more time. Then rolling the length of my hair and leaving the ends out, I'm going to brush these ends just a little bit and then just roll it up and pin it. Now I'm going to take the front part and making sure that it's kind of draping over my forehead, and then you just kind of twist it just a little bit away from your face and then just pin it up the back. Now on the other side, I'm going to make sure I make kind of like these vintage looking curls, pushing out the side a little bit and pinning it. Then you can take a mirror, and with the mirror behind you, look at the back of the updo and just begin pinning the curls the way you want them in the back. Hairspray it really nice, add some earrings, and your Taylor Swift updo is done. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more blush and some lipstick. This Mario lipstick is amazing, by the way. It's like a lip gloss, kind of like a lip oil. I think it's super beautiful. And I just added a lip liner with that, and then just a little bit of highlighter in the middle of my lip, and there is your Taylor Swift look. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you again for your request. If you have any more requests, please be sure to put them below in the comments. You can also tag me on Instagram, send me DMs with updos or braids you'd like me to recreate. I love recreating your looks for you. I hope you all enjoyed this. Subscribe if you haven't below. Love you guys. Bye.